A world of hues. My favorite color is purple. It's a special color. You don't see it everywhere. Some grapes are purple, sweet, and round. Sometimes, when the sun goes to sleep, the sky turns a soft purple. It's like a cozy blanket over the world. My next favorite color is blue. The big sky is blue on a sunny day. The wide ocean is blue, full of wonderful fish. Green is the color of life. In the summer, all the trees were green leaves. The soft grass where we play is green too. Many yummy vegetables are green. Broccoli looks like little trees. Cucumbers are long and green. They are good for us. Yellow is a happy color. The sun is a big yellow ball in the sky. It keeps us warm. Bananas are yellow and sweet to eat. Some pretty flowers are yellow. Daffodils and dandelions are like little drops of sunshine on the ground. White is a clean and quiet color. In winter, the snow is a soft white blanket. The clouds floating in the sky are white and fluffy. Some flowers are red. A rose can be a beautiful, deep red. It smells so sweet. All these colors together make our world beautiful. Nature is a wonderful artist. We should help keep our colorful world clean and happy.